Hey y'all, John here. Got my wife Angela.
Hi.
We're working on yet another project. I know that's a shocker, but we've got, here in Texas, we've got major heat all the time. So back here on the porch, we've got 3 fans. This one's not even working. This one's the new one, and that one's just barely limping along. So we decided, let's just fix them all, be done. So we bought 2 new fans. This girl here, she's gonna learn how to install a fan. So let's go.
You want to make sure you put this on this side. And you get your other parts. That's actually going to be the parts. We don't need these screws right now. We're going to need these screws. You're gonna need these rubber washers. And you're gonna need these washers. Alright. So So you want to put the rubber washers first, the metal washers next. And then you want to screw them in. Alright, there's one down. One more to go. I like to put the blades on before we go up in the air. Depending on your height that you're sewing, you might want to put these up last, like the book says, but on our case, it's not very tall, so it's a little bit easier to put them on first. And this fan's not that heavy. need to take them all the way out. Alright. Take this rubber band off. Go ahead and undo this. Easiest thing to do with these, since you all want them to stay together, is I like to twist them so they're stay together when you're putting them through the rod here. So you're going to stick this through here. Put this one on like so. And you're going to feed the cords through. That way they all come through the same side. You're also going to pull this little green cord out, this other green wire. Have it out already. You're going to pull it all the way through. You're going to have a lot of extra wire that you might not use. You're going to stick your pin back through. Make sure you put the pin back in. Alright, now you want to tighten these back up. Hot, but that's how it goes. And make sure you kill the power first. Slip in this, kill the power. Alright. Alright, now we're ready to take this one down. Get your little step stool, ladder, depending on how high your cylinders are. Alright, so we got this piece right here. Should just slip down like that. You're going to have your screwdriver handy. You're going to want to take these screws undone.
We'll just gently place this over here. Yeah, that's a good spot.
Again, this fan's not too heavy, so this one's easy to do with the blades on. And let's get these wires all in the center here. Alright, and this bracket, this old bracket worked, so we didn't even change it out. Alright, so let me get the other tool. Alright, so as I said earlier, you got a lot of extra cord here, so you really don't need all those cords. You can go ahead and give you a little room, but you can go ahead and chop those off. We won't need any more of those. Alright. I'm doing this by the manual. I've already looked at the manual and it told me how to put it up, but your fan could be a little different, so just be sure and read the manual closely. snap in like that. So see, it's flat, snaps in good. Make sure you get all the cords in the center there. And you're ready to push this up on here. Alright, so let's flip the breaker back on.
Well, it would help if we put the switch on.
Yeah, make sure to turn the switch on too. Now, just gotta do the last test here.
Bingo.
And it works. And that's how you put up a fan.
Pretty sweet, huh? I think she did pretty good. Well, we got one more to go. Thank y'all for hanging out with us.
Feels much better now.
It does feel better. We were dying when we were doing the shed, so hopefully this gets better.
All right, see you on the next one.
Bye.
Bye.